Okay, year 12, the question 7 then, part A. Sketch this here, stating the equation of the horizontal asymptote. Now, the first thing that you would need to recognise is this is in the form y equals f of x and then plus 1, which means it's going to be the sketch of whatever y equals f of x equals, and then this plus 1 means translated 1 upwards, translated 1 vertically. That's changing our y values. So then I'm not going to do the final thing here. I'm first of all just going to sketch what y equals f of x looks like. So that's just like something over x, which means it's our reciprocal graph. This is drawn quite badly, sorry. Like that. And like that. So then my final answer is that same graph, but moved up 1 unit. So it's now going to be like here and like here. So my original graph had an asymptote here, which is the line y equals 0. So my new line, my new curve, has got an asymptote at y equals 1. And so that's all you needed to get for part A. In part B, the line L has got equation y equals minus 2x plus 5. I'm just going to sketch that on here. So minus 2x, negative gradient plus 5. So something like that, say. Show that the x-coordinate of any point of intersection is given by this. So all I am going to do is substitute this into my original, into the curve. So I can write minus 2x plus 5 equals k squared over x plus 1. After that, we can multiply through by x, giving minus 2x squared plus 5x equals k squared plus x. And then after that, what do we want to do? We just need to rearrange it so it's in this form here. So what I can do is I can add 2x squared to both sides. I can minus 5x. Minus 5x plus x is minus 4x plus k squared. Well, and then we've got it in the form as required. And then, let me just skip on a slide. So then finally for part C, hence find the exact values of k for which L is a tangent to C. So if something is a tangent, means it touches once. It means there's one solution. So when there's one solution to something, we can use our discriminant. And if there's one solution, it follows that b squared minus 4ac is equal to 0. So in this case, our a is going to be 2, b will be minus 4, and c is going to be k squared. I'm going to substitute those all into b squared minus 4ac up here. So it'll be minus 4 squared minus 4 times 2 times k squared equals 0. So we get 16 minus 8k squared equals 0. Now for this I would factorise, so we can take out 8 as a factor. I wouldn't do that, ignore why I've just done that, that was making more work than we need to. I would divide everything by 8, giving. So therefore we get 2 equals k squared, and k can therefore be positive root 2 or negative root 2. And those are our two different values of k, for which L will be a tangent to C.